With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is which of the two events restore the normal number of chromosomes in life cycle? Options are mitosis and meiosis, meiosis and fertilization, fertilization and mitosis, only meiosis. So if we'll see the restoration of normal number of chromosomes in a particular life cycle, that is by two processes. First of all, we can better explain this by taking a germ cells. Germ cells, these are having the diploid in number. They form the gametes from germ cells. From germ cells, gametes are being formed. Male gamete, female gamete. Here we can write it as a gamete. That is a from germ cells. Here one is the male gamete is being formed and then female gamete is being formed respectively. Male and the female gamete is being formed, and these male as well as female gamete, these are formed by the process of the meiosis. So as a result, there if we'll see the ploidy level, it become the half. In case of male and female, it become the half, although the germ cell these was diploid. Now there is a fertilization takes place. Fertilization takes place and they result in the formation of the zygote. Zygote formation occur. This process is called as the fertilization. So fertilization is again after fertilization, the ploidy level that becomes the diploid. It becomes the diploid, and from zygote then the fetus, then the baby, and then adult, and again the cycle continues. So these are in this way life cycle continue, and here two processes are involved, that is meiosis. Firstly, meiosis reduces the number of ploidy, number of chromosomes, and then again by fertilization the number is being restored. So these are two processes which are involved. Mitosis and meiosis, this is incorrect. Meiosis, first meiosis, then fertilization, correct. Fertilization and mitosis, this is incorrect. Only meiosis incorrect. Option B is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.